In this video, we will look at the 10 possible causes and solutions for unusual noises coming from an automotive air conditioning compressor. Loose compressor mounts. 1. Loose brackets or bolts can cause vibrations and additional noises. Ensure the compressor is securely fastened to the engine, tightening or replacing the mounting components as necessary. 2. Worn or loose belts. Damaged belts can produce squealing or buzzing noises during compressor operation. Inspect and replace damaged belts, ensuring proper tension and alignment. 3. Compressor clutch issues. The clutch may experience slipping, wear, misalignment, or lack of lubrication, causing clicking or knocking sounds when engaged. Adjust or replace the clutch if it is worn or defective. 4. Damaged compressor pulley. If the pulley is misaligned, worn, or damaged, it can create rubbing or knocking noises when rotating. Inspect the pulley and replace it if there is significant wear or misalignment. 5. Worn bearings. Over time, bearings can deteriorate, producing rattling or humming noises. Replacing damaged bearings is the best solution to prevent major compressor failures. 6. Internal obstructions. Accumulation of dirt or particles inside the compressor can generate noises and reduce efficiency. Check the pressure ports where the gauges are connected. If the refrigerant sample shows contaminated or dark-colored oil, this indicates internal issues. Perform an internal cleaning of the compressor and the air conditioning system, removing obstructions and adding the correct amount of oil. 7. Valve problems. Damaged or worn valves can cause noises during the operation of a piston compressor. The solution is to repair or replace the defective valves to ensure optimal performance. 8. Lack of lubrication. Insufficient lubrication in the compressor's moving parts causes excessive friction, generating metallic sounds. Ensure the compressor has the correct lubricant level. This often happens when refrigerant leaks occur, and the system is recharged with gas without adding oil. 9. Compressor overload. Excessive high pressure in the condenser can overload the compressor, causing straining or knocking noises. Check the cleanliness of the condenser coil, and ensure the condenser fan is functioning correctly. 10. Excess refrigerant. Too much refrigerant can result in abnormally high pressures, which may affect the compressor's operation.